Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video is HDFC Bank quarterly results. Wait and watch for Monday. HDFC Bank announced its fourth quarter results January to March 2024. Many of the figures are not comparable to the same quarter of last year since HDFC's figures were not included earlier. However, it can only be compared to previous quarters of this year, October to December 2023. The following is the highlights of the results. Usually, a quarterly result is compared to the same quarter of the previous year to understand what is the improvement. However, if the combined figures of HDFC Bank and HDFC for January 2024 are compared to January 2023, it would not be correct since HDFC was merged with HDFC Bank from 1st July 2023. HDFC Bank quarterly financials consolidated, that means both the entities combined. Net profit October to December 2023 17,718 crores. January to March 2024, 18,013 crores, 1.6% higher. Net NPA percentage 0.31% for October to December 2023. January to March 2024, 0.33% is the net NPA. HDFC Bank quarterly financials standalone, that means only HDFC Bank figures. Net profit January to March 2023, 12,047 crores. January to March 2024, 16,512 crores, 37% rise. Net NPA percentage 0.27% in 2023 March and March 2024 0.33%. Net profit growth looks like 37% due to the 7,340 crores received from the stake sale in subsidiary HDFC Credila Financial Services during the quarter. Otherwise, the profit growth would have not been so much. HDFC Bank other parameters: deposits March 2023 18,83,400 crores. March 2024, 23,80,000 crores, 26.4% increase. Advances or loans given 16.14 lakh crores March 2023 and March 2024, 25.08 lakh crores, 55.4% higher. Here also, March 2024 figures are including HDFC loans given, and in the previous time it was only HDFC Bank. CASA deposits or current account savings account deposits, the ratio was March 2023 44.4%, December 2023 37.7%, and in March 2024 38.2%. CASA ratio looks lower than the March 2023 figure since after the merger with HDFC, the ratio fell for the merged HDFC Bank because HDFC did not have CASA deposits. However, it has increased from 37.7 to 38.2% when compared to December 2023. Decent performance by HDFC Bank in this quarter. However, the results were below analyst expectations. Since the results were announced on Saturday, the shares will react to the results on Monday. HDFC Bank shares had rallied by 2.5% on Friday. We need to see how markets react to below expectation results on Monday. HDFC Bank has declared a dividend of Rs 19.5 per equity share of Rs 1 for the year ended 31st March 2024. The record date for the dividend is 10th May 2024. HDFC Bank shares have been consolidating and underperforming for more than 3 years now. As of now, the business performance is good but not as good as it used to be earlier. Analysts and investors are hoping that whenever the stock price consolidation ends, it could provide good returns in a very short period of time. As of now, it looks like the merger with HDFC has not been as successful as expected by HDFC Bank. So, we need to see what happens. 52-week high 1,758, 52-week low 1,363, current price 1,531. For an investor, 1 year returns minus 9%, 3 years returns 2% per annum, 5 years 6% per annum, and 10 years 15% per annum CAGR. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you still have faith in HDFC Bank's long-term stock performance? If yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.